Assalamualaikum and welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to get ready for a brunch, so let's get started. First of all, sunblock, because it's a must thing, and we are going to apply a lot of sunblock, and when I say a lot, I mean it. For a foundation, I'm going to apply just 1 or 2 pump because I don't need a full coverage in this scorching heat. Time to conceal, and I'm going to apply the concealer at the outer corner, inner corner and area around my mouth and nose, and that's it. For eyes, I'm going to create a soft eye look, so I'm choosing very light shade from this palette. Applying some darker shade at the outer corner of my eye to create some depth. For eyelid, I'm choosing this soft shimmery shade. And now creating a half pink eyeliner. Adding some colors to the lower lash line. No falsies today, just applying my favorite Essence mascara. Now I'm trying Grwm's mascara hack, where she applied mascara with the help of tweezer at the bottom eyelashes. So let's do it. And honestly speaking, I didn't like this trick, like it makes my eyelashes more messy, so a big no from me. For lips, I applied a red lipstick and then lightened it with a concealer. Now it's time to shine. Highlighter, I'm using a loose powder highlighter, and I love it. And all set to go. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comment section below, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. See you next video. Till then, take care and Assalamualaikum.